Hello, this is my introductory video for English 100. My name is Scott Kokenge. I am from Sioux Falls. I have moved away. I was in the military for a bit, and I also lived in Minnesota and Wisconsin for about uh, 15 to 20 years or so, and then I moved back to Sioux Falls. I'm currently majoring in business through the degree completion program at University of Sioux Falls. I would consider myself somewhere around a junior, beginning junior. I'm about halfway through, about 70 credits or so. The last book that I had read, or I'm just finishing up, is a book called The Liberal Mind by Lyle Rossiter. Um, and The one book that I would say that has the most significant impact on me in my life would probably be the Bible. Um, and for the last question, if what I what book would I be reading if I didn't have to read for this course, would probably be the Game of Thrones or possibly Harry Potter, simply because I haven't watched any of the movies or series like most people probably have. That's all for my introductory video. I do look forward to interacting with all of you throughout this course. Take care.